Then they talk about pastor, okay, just now. You know why you just they preach for this side? You don't come in this side. Now, beneath the see church, opposite church, the two speakers are called they disturb each other. If you they dance to the other church, praise and worship. Now, pastor go say, my friend, see that is not our choir. Beneath when one pastor they preach, another pastor they reply. That one said, the Lord will lead you. Say, shut up there, you. There are two churches opposite each other. Oh, my church is full Benin. Every year for Benin. Benin will go to do show. People will go to hold ring. They'll say why you don't put their logo. Bring out that. Oh, wait. Hold on. We're not job for this part of the world, though. See as every year go. If you reach Benin, every year heat, hot sun, heat. The kind heat where they Benin, no artist don't feel drop any heat because I don't hit the rain. All the artists need to wait till rainy season to rain again. Now they throw money here. Wow, say they throw money in a gentle way. Now Benin they go throw you money, they'll throw beret Jenna. The best details they call John our court without money. And enjoy and I've been where they beat for the Christmas. Say why go the wear red cap, they better go right. Say the guy they form end of the year cuties. Let me believe one guy, they say skin no full, no full body. One fat guy can go carry guy, say skin full. He reach as na full body small. Now the guy called the shout, come up body job. M.O.P. you wear beret for poster. It say they know they use this one. Me wear me color now they beat me. They say now they are branch for Kenya. You know see that guy they throw money. Every video they do like this. Ask bro Saporo now. He just recover recently. How do I hear the shout? Maybe last week he go perform for Opa. As you do wow. Now I want to do my audio like this. The real Chris join entire body. You know to the way they cure him. When they do show, say our show sweet. Benin we come there, they crack joke. Person you come waka me too. Alpha. Tell DJ me play music, man want dance. Oh my brigada. This life now, what you talk, God will give you. Alright. No stone me like that, I can feel beat you. No? You want trauma, I'll be contest. This full trousers and a beret. This life, now pray, no, my brother, listen to me. Oh. You dey pray, may God give you children where you get bright future. You want sleep with your wife in the off light. So, all these Nigerian guys, VIP, I be irregular. God will bless now. Big shout out now. They make sure tough. No sound that they laugh. No my state now. Person will go perform. If they mistakenly buy your table, they will call who your hand become the show. Any artist will perform, they will mark them. They'll say Akporo will perform. Acapella, what of you don't perform before I can say yes, you mark them. One guy do show, all the artists perform. They still call the guy will do show. They say Alpha show. Now the guy say, what of this last guy will never perform? Now the guy say, which guy? This guy what they call and many more. Hold on. Now the guy say, and many more no be artists. Now bro say the grace. You think say we no get sense. No be this and many more. No be the say many more. Many more. If you reach that time, you know I fit talk from now till tomorrow. Guys now, all these guys now, wait till they read for Nana now, braless society, braless. Man of God, there, I know I just respect man of God. Braless society, braless. Una person my power can still die. Una can still call the barrier. Una still wear polo. Una no wear bra inside. People want us to be money and be honey at the same time. Braless society. iPhone will come now. Hello, sir, bro. Hello, bro. At the crack joke. You listen, See your head. You don't see your head. Camera, oh yeah, make I come on. They don't give me signal. No say this life when all night don't today. Usher go the wake Usher. Say me I run am sharp. Now only believe that they use gospel songs, say glory and mercy. You go the waka, you go the on Christ the solid rock I stand. Oh Lord, thou grant thee sinking sand. Oh Lord, thou grant thee sinking sand. Jesus root. Now the root where the command yama for our body. And it where the suffer for us. The cocos, all the cocos. My brother, my sister drinks the tree of motor for body one time fiam. That way the cell of the soul it is in Nigeria. Brother, sister, brother. Now Gloria you carry so drink the tree come up body fiam. Oh Lord, thou grant.
M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
Man of God, I've been to your church once, but when you pass this now, I can't try remember. I can't remember. Say, now that pastor where they had the watch for Instagram when they talk about marriage, because your wife is good. You married a wonderful wife. That's why you are preaching marriage. Ask those who marry wife whether not they feel house. Not be said they don't know that 7 things where you know, but they don't go fit teach them another person. Your wife is a wonderful woman. That is why you are preaching about love. If not, some people when you see they don't go house after this show. If you like, put yourself 25 times on Instagram. For their mind, they're going to say, I don't blame you. Now because you marry better wife. It gets some women when we say, even if you give the 2 Jesus Christ, they'll kill them again. What did they do? Man of God, not because some of us not going to like to preach something so, but it is good that what you are preaching, you are practicing it. You are practicing it, that's why you are preaching it. Not so. You are not like politicians who preach what they don't practice. Ladies and gentlemen, I came all the way from Port Harcourt. 2 things before I leave. 1, politicians fear pass anybody for this world. If you want to follow their fly. Follow the fly for inside plane. Now you go know say politicians they fear. As I enter this morning, we just sit down, business class. I see one honorable, now greet them. Honorable, you know answer me. They can form, or they will talk to you in the way you know go here. Yeah, Arinze, how are you doing? I sound fine, sir. I greet them, honorable. I sound fine, sir. We never fly 5 minutes. You know, say these people when they play, they first and foremost, all those announcements what they do for plane, I don't know what they announce for. You could hear in the course of landing on water, something there under your chair, you can who go open door, you go outside, go they wear that thing. Where they go? Then they'll go announce pilot, did they ever talk for plane till something won't happen or maybe they won't land? Everybody when they fly, no time. Pass pilot. Once that time pass, you know they tell, oh boy, we never land. This thing don't with you. What did they happen? Now so we do it's honorable. One that one way sit down there, even they talk to me. When time don't pass, 9 they tell me say, Arinze, we supposed to land by 1:15. What did they happen now? We don't this is now 1:20 something. Now that time we call bang bang. Come on, and you know, so all those pilots, they talk with you the year. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pilot LG. I'd like to announce to you that we've been Lagos airspace in the last 20 minutes trying to land you, but the weather is very bad. We've tried to call Port Harcourt, if we can take you back to Port Harcourt, but they said the weather there is even worse than the one in Lagos. So we are roaming around. We have fuel that will last you for another 10 minutes. So I'd like you to on your phones, call your house people because anything that happens. I shocked when one of the honorable just shout, pilot! I better go, where now? I do this and I leave. Ladies and gentlemen, sincerely speaking, then another thing now, Igbo people there, Igbo Guano, Igbo Riano, Igbo Mamano. Oh, boy, see anywhere Igbo man go, even I have we go speak Igbo for Jesus Christ, not be joke. Igbo man, when me and they inside play. You know, say when na your first time, you behave yourself. First and foremost, most of them when they start playing, I never peace for playing before. Not be so I don't want peace, but I don't know where they flush out. I don't enter before I want peace and look at everything pressing. But I say, nah man, no go press the one we playing go take crash. I just quietly go sit down, leave it. I carry urine from Nigeria, reach London, 6 hours, 40 minutes. When I come back, I say, I peace. If I die, I die. I peace, but I don't flush am. I leave am. One old man, my first time tonight, the man enter to go peace. Now the man see the thing, now he come meet the hostess. Bien? Onye no remember. Now the hostess say yes. Onye no remember, he say yes. The hostess they look and say, I don't say peace, peace. Now he said, I think that guy came out, now he come meet me. Now he say, again remember. There ngwara flush ya. I go there, find this day, I don't say, now come back, the man come meet me. Mama, I can't now. I said, sir, you're embarrassing me. I'm a superstar. If you notice, when I was entering this plane, I beg you that thing. When I was entering this plane, people were taking pictures. Want to put me on this star block? Now they got holla. Celebrity. Got flush your mama again. No. Now, I don't want to embarrass her. Now I hold and waka. They go. Now I reach near the door. In first and foremost, they need to write all those things. Toilet. Now, they need to write and convenience. Now lavatory. Now I go. I reach there and I say, what's your problem? If you want to use yourself, you will do the thing. Why you try? You can't worry me. The next thing, the man come. I say, what's your problem? Why not flush? Then you ease yourself if you want to flush. If you want to ease yourself, the man look me and laugh. Do I know where to flush it and I'm disturbing you? To make a speech, let's make one of His Excellency, Chief Barrister, Eze one year so wicked in getting band. That band go first sing for you. As he they pain them, he go they sweet us. As he they sweet them, he go they... If that one not do, he go here. How many then they? How many then they? Why we no go win them? I mean, if our governor waka small, come, no say no wahala. Anything we make him as they introduce her, he don't reach the podium, no say he go trend the next morning. First and foremost, the governor cannot come, hold microphone, but he no tap am. You go face it. He no trust engineer. They go still blow and breeze. You can hear something like this. Let me, first and foremost, congratulate the young man who is doing the show. I gathered here this evening because the man who is doing the show is a young man who has been hustling. And for you to have hustled from Owerri, come to Lagos in less than 5 years, you have sold terracotta. That means you are doing very... And somebody who is doing very well want to be celebrated. Not be so? Not be so? Lagos, I know that you people like to have fun. They call you people one day. You people like enjoyment. If it's in Port Harcourt by this time, some people are already in their house. But you people will not leave. I like it. Lagos is one place that I've told my friend, the governor, that I will continue to visit him because he's a good man and he's doing well. They will come leave show where they talk about to go come move to politics. The only problem I have is they are dragging political position with me, and I've told them that anywhere they go to, I will win them. I'm not going to win there. They know me. I've told them I know they fear anybody. I know they fear any, because I will die when God say I will. So let them be dragging me. I will be dragging. One day we'll win. But whatever it is, we are dragging it within the South. That's why they say I'm fighting with the president. I say no, I'm not fighting with the president. The only problem I have is you can't come to the Niger Delta. You take what belongs to us. You say it's VAT. You take it back. These people will be taking more than us. Meanwhile, we are the ones producing. Is it done anywhere? It's not done anywhere. So let them know how to do it. But whatever you do, melembe. Because if it didn't do, to fly over for you.
M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
I don't know if it has gotten to your side. Things are expensive. One I realize, no, things are expensive. 100 naira bread now is now 200 naira. Una no. One I do like this now. 100 naira bread is now 200. Now Acapella is 20, 100,000, that is 100,000. Things are expensive. Normal toothpaste would they buy before would be 300. Hey, to something. Now it's now 400 to brush teeth. We go use smart to kill each other for this country. Thank God government don't give us no smart. If you near me, look me. If you near me, no man knows mass of 15 naira. Knows mass is now how much now? 100 In some places, they sell it 500 naira for you. Things are expensive, which is wrong. Normal polo, sir. Normal polo before. Normal polo, 10K. Now polo is like 15K, 25K for original polo. Me and person who can't get misunderstand, you go with my clothes, I'll blow you for her. Things are expensive. So how much is condom before? Condom. No, they do like say no, they use them. How much is condom before? No, my condom 100 naira. Now condom is 200. The original one 15. Things are expensive, and still yet you'll be seen unwanted pregnancy. Condom 15. How much lubricant? Normal lubricant before. Lubricant 500. Now lubricant is 25. No wonder hustler use speed. If you don't understand that joke, leave her. Terracotta is not for you. You need to day Jigbo. Things are hard. I won't lie to you. This Lagos get as a bizarre. You won't understand. This is the Lagos where man no like man. Man no like man. Forget say una sit down together. Man no like man. And they come now, one pack. One guy they pack me. The way man take the pack man, I won't understand. The guy they tell me, okay, cut your hand. Cut your hand. Enter. If I cut my hand, wait and want to reverse. Okay, just do like that. Use your back. Use your back. Cut your hand. Cut your hand. As I cut down for car, they look the guy. He won't pack one lady. The way men they pack guy, I don't understand. The same guy with a man cut my hand. They tell the woman, madam, use your nyash enter. Use your nyash enter. And the idiot go upstairs. I don't blame man because I come with Uber Corolla. This life, in all you do, remember two things. Remember to serve God and make money. Sir, do you know what money is? Now, lack of money, they make you carry charger, go everywhere. You know, they take a IC socket. You don't plug. Poverty, it's like people don't understand the meaning of poverty. Poverty is when you live in one room. One room. Your girlfriend find you come. Your weekend landlady go come, go window, go, they tell you, hello. Someone there to go in. This Lagos. Don't let it. Oh. Please, if you stay on the island here, God will bless you. You are staying in the right place. You are staying in the right place. When I mean island, I mean the heart of island. Heart of island. I know the heart of island, what they tell you. I mean places like from VI, Ikoyi, you know, Lekki Phase 1. It ends in Chevron. Island here for Chevron, oh. Anything Lakwe, Bogije, Awoyaya, come on, get out. Now, if you are also staying in the heart of mainland, you are staying in the right place. Heart of mainland. I mean, Aderoro Gusoya, Masha, Kilo. Are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me? Aguda. Those are places. Anything Lawansin. Yanaitire. You know, say that Yanaitire, you go, Yanaitire, you go see 3 bedroom, 200,000. They don't want you and make you go house successfully. You must call somebody. Hello? Oh, say they not fight today. Yanaitire is the only place where you are going to your house. You will park your car for Kilo. Use Okada, they go house. Highland, this was the same island I came to, sir. Do you know on the island, whenever it rains, all the old ATM machine pays. I don't know if you've noticed. All the old ATM machine pays. Recently, I saw a man cut down from his G-Wagon, got into an ATM spot, brought out his car, slot it in, typed his pin. Before you know, the way machine take counting money, go no say money day. The man come out take. As the man they go outside, now me I want enter. Now ask him just one question. Sorry, sir, is it dispensing? If you see voice.
Yes, it's dispensing.
I know say money day. I entered there, took my car, typed my pin. Before you know, money come outside. But before I reach that my stupid area where God will help me punish. I know that place they call Ogolonto for Ikorodu. Before I reach that, money don't finish. Ask me can I use another ATM machine where they there. To say I know, I enter. How many of you have noticed that whenever it rains on the mainland, all the ATM machine they shock? No, they do like ATM never shock you before. As I enter, slot my card, type my pin. Now, don't get it twisted. Don't be the number they shock you. Now the enter button. As I press enter, the machine carry me. Which kind problem be this? Nah, come on my car. As I say make I dey go, one Yoruba woman won't come use. Old woman no, she won't come use the machine. As she come see me now, ask me.
I'm my thinking saying they pay.
I say yes, my is paying, but actually the woman no let me talk.
They look me cold.
The mama go come out her car, shook inside, type her pin. Immediately she press enter, the machine carry out.
Now do masha. Oh my baby, it's hot me. All alone making what done lop. Come back, baby, test. Silence and double.
Now that they are not saying Yoruba no dey let anything happen to them alone. Now do masha.
Kò lè sake mi nìkan o. Enough is sake only because I can't love you.
Instead of the mama to go, she stand near the machine. From nowhere, one Igbo boy come use the machine. As the Igbo boy reach, see the woman now answer, Madam, sorry, is the machine dispensing? The woman reply,
He dey want key. Ansanwo alalo.
And the Igbo boy go spread. Come out in car, shook his head, type in pin. As the Igbo boy press enter, the machine carry up. Now the Igbo boy provoke, Madam, what rubbish is this now? Why not told me say this machine the chalk? Now the woman reply,
He don't suck you too. O suck me now. You wanna do ọmọ Calabambo? Indigo kenu.
M.O.P Next of Kin, the takeover.
Obasanjo say education is not for the poor. That's why if poor man goes school, you know they see work because you go where they don't send them. Wisdom. If big man children go school, they see work because the work not for them. Poor man, you need connection. You know the way NEPA they connect wire. You need connection. The only work we need without connection like that sales get wanted. That was the pass for road. If you get the work anywhere, you could just enter, go continue your hardship. They give you salary, you can go treat typhoid. Suffer in this country. I wake up one morning, see pray for Ukraine. I enter Twitter. I see them get there, Putin for them. I say now wow, we start to pray for Ukraine. Now sleep the same day, wake up, now see pray for Nigeria. I say, what did happen? And they say Warriboy pull out for their fight. I said, what happened? Say Buhari say give Russia 24 hours to leave Ukraine. If not, go send Nigerian soldiers. Now we start to go to beg Putin for Twitter. We don't know him. He's our president. He's old though. Amnesia. He has ear problem before. Okay? Not be here with the way Malai Mohammed they go on Israel. Say give them 24 hours to produce an cannon. If not, Nigeria will go to war with Israel. You know what be Israel? Israel will get covenant with God. They will press one button, Third Mainland Bridge go down. All of them go Wizkid, they go work. They play with Israel. Who want go fight? When Lai Mohammed talk and finish, when he turn back, you don't see any minister fight back. Only in PA. When you travel abroad, you go to Nigerians and suffer. I travel to UK. When the child is born from birth to 18, the child is paid. Children get money past people who don't work. And they've never worked in their life. From the day you are born, your government is owing you. Nigeria. From the day when they born you, they owe the country. You are a debtor from birth. That's why I go say for Nigeria people they get hot temper from birth because they owe the country. That's why to ask person address for road for Nigeria, everybody get hot temper. That's why to address, you just want to ask how to reach Admiralty. You go to see the face they boil. Now you go to tell the person, please, hello, please, sir, please, how do I? You go to beg, you go put please. Because when you just say you no put please, you just go me, hello, what? Nigerians the best. You go UK, they don't beat thief for UK because they pay them money. They won't know why they're going to stealing. You don't beat it, they will arrest you, Nigeria. We they beat two thieves until they resemble twins. Nigeria. For UK, if dog bite you, they will pay you money, say dog bite you. They will call the person who get the dog. So why did you bring the dog as a domestic animal? This and that. Nigeria. Person dog will pursue you from here to Songotedo. I ain't gonna see they tell you. I tell you, say they bite. You don't know. You don't know, say they bite. So far, they this country. When I hear the one we happen for Warri now. Cultists enter bush, go do initiation, herdsmen kill all of them. Nothing will never happen for this country. For ain't no good and kidnap DPO na vigilante saver. For Port Harcourt, for the Christmas they share gifts to children, they thief in full. Nigerian news they tire me. For Ekiti, I've been waiting. Pastor go meet native doctor for spiritual power. Native doctor use pastor do sacrifice. The news too much. The problem everywhere. I don't know what we are going to do. Una no see the one where happened recently? Taribo West. Where they pray for Tinubu. He speak in tongues, so they Rekabaya, I see you taking Nigeria. Rekabaya. Tinubu they look at her. How much I give this guy? Only 1 million. If I bring up bullion for this guy, go put church for me. This man, Okocha guesses. Okocha, when I give a microphone to talk, you know say Nigerians they look. You know say we they take them like legend. My brother, poverty no be anybody mate. When you get the kind of money they will give you, you go worship. When they give Okocha microphone, now Okocha say, we know the journey is tough. I wish you good health. I wish you good health because what you need now is health, sir.
M.O.P Next of Kin, the takeover.
You dey mad? Yeah, who? Now so this buju, you know say na God help am. You know say the idiot go grant one interview say he no go release any song again until May. Now somebody tell am they may forget you. Nigerians no dey take forget artists so. You wait till they sing. You sing past Wandeko. Wandeko wey sing blow. Nigerians forget him. You don't know when he begin reintroduce himself. I'm new in town. I said, when I sing bumper to bumper, we follow you. See the band now. When the band rain, he too proud. Not I'm the band. Skip. He don't answer any name. He no care because he knows we go still know. I'm the band. Skip band. Mesa. Acapella. Yeah. When Nigerians forget and they beg us, everybody go the banjo. It's not. My job tonight is very simple. I'm not here to take your time. I see some things for news for Nigeria, they shock me. They'll say a Nigerian man commits suicide. Why you dey hurry? Nigeria for still kill you. So you just say, after I say Nigeria no dey work. Work when Nigeria won't do now, they help and do it. Nigeria will kill you. This Nigeria, wait till they work the way they work. Don't be this Nigeria. Do you know that in this country, if government see crude oil for your backyard, you know, so now government get them. My brother, I need the government see you go. Now you know. You tell government how you go take your backyard. Why they not ask you where crude oil pass come? That's why now in Nigeria, you go see Nigerian guy ask her, do you smoke? He go say no, only shisha. Shisha and alcohol. They know they smoke them. You know, so the average Nigerian, every Nigerian does a para. It is an clear eye Ojuku wife. They slap governor wife. Mama don't give up. The country don't tire everybody. But he said they say Ojuku na hero. Ojuku no try. I go die, leave that kind of woman. FMV, if I marry that kind of wife, if I die, leave a man, die. Are they mad? You don't look things for Nigeria, everybody just this strand, everybody's confused. Buhari, you know see Buhari. You know say now during COVID-19, Buhari put curfew. You know say today Buhari no come out and only us just come out. We wait. Buhari no dey turn. And Nigeria so boy. Because nobody say Buhari for never come out. He no even remember saying put up. So now police come they use the curfew now they hustle. And they come from show. Now me and the M.O.P self. 11:45 war officer he stop us for that toll gate. You don't even ask me anything, you just say you're under arrest. I say wait up, we say curfew. I say it's 11:45, 15 minutes. He say good, where are we now? I say we dey toll gate. Where you dey go? I said they go Chevron. He say, before you reach there, 12 go now. I said, no, oh, first of all, my pastor is here. Oh, God. Now, this is the way my pastor said I don't backslide because normally I'm supposed first, when it's dance, I'm supposed first recognize her. Oh, no, PK, I will not stress you, trust me. And then my mama is here. Mama, you know, say, nothing I never talk for this industry about me and about. You don't pass. At least I don't know, so we know the quarrel. They say if they know the quarrel, why know they do comedy goes to church again? You, why you not do one? Why you not do one? You know, you don't ever hold your phone. You got to see different things. Update Instagram. Update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Wait till happen afresh, where would the update for? Wait till Solomon do new. Because to be honest, that Solomon, unless the story no clear, that person will get 1,000 women, only 3 children. How? No baby planning, no, it's only one. No, that story, I see they look up. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where they look, say, they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, he showed me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work, no time. Okay, so I say I don't get too much work this night. I did very fulfilled tonight. Everybody will know the story knows I did very fulfilled tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, comedy's next big thing. One of the finest stand-up comedians to ever emerge from Africa. This guy is extremely hilarious. It's the reason why we're all gathered here. I'm going to crave your indulgence. This is his first show ever. I don't even know if you know the Lagos reached 5 years, after he graduates. And here he is today, feeling terror culture. Yes, my first show. So we're all out here to support him. I can assure you, if this guy come out, he no thrill you. But you're stranded, not a video. Just because I don't hear, let's say I will give your money back, how much you pay? Poor people, they can say, may not just funny first. I know the ones you just say, you know, 3 you, M.O.P go perform, tired, and people go to say, you know, enter. Our money. Poor people can argue. You know, so come they argue, more argument. Especially how much Ronaldo and Messi they collect. I know they know how poor men they take the comfortable discussion. Just say, boy, don't hear how much I pay Ronaldo last week. There go come finish, go and see, Baba, you go past Chevron. May don't drop me for you will buy Ronaldo last week. Now me go drop you. Like no get sense. Just one. Yeah. Now, the most popular days are celebrated in the world. I think after Christmas, the New Year, the next one is Mother's Day. Then after that one, it's Mother's Day again. After that, it's another Mother's Day. Fathers don't really get day. Because a man, even on your day, now your wife the controller. Because on the other side, as you drink, I'm going to tell you are misbehaving. It's just one day. It's just one day. Embarrassment is a lifetime, Women own it. Now they own everything. Now that's why it makes me laugh when they say it's a man's world. The reason why women allow that thing they fly, now because they favor them. Now, but now women get the word though. Like normally, check the scenario as a man. FMV is a married man. He's my friend. You know, if you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, don't go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? She don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife is just day bored. Nothing they go on. No. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. The instinct now from above. My instinct does not lie. Are you cheating on me? Baba, you try to explain yourself. You favor them. Do you know that if you try to touch, if your wife try to touch you, you no agree. Sorry. If you try to touch your wife, she no agree. That means she's not in the mood. If your wife try to touch you, you no agree. That means say they sleep with another one. And a man's water, they deceive you. Now then get everything. You favor them. Check everywhere now. Your mother go dey say, this breast I fed you 9 months. Your papa don't talk that kind of thing before. You now you call the emotionally blackmailed, you call the Sam, sorry. No, women are crazy. Sorry. Happy Mother's Day.
M.O.P Next of Kin, the takeover.
This Next of Kin thing now for person we get money. I mean, be my partner Next of Kin. No problem, I hear it. I still dey pay bill till now. So, how you guys doing? Please clap for M.O.P. You know easy. Very easy. They do show by this time. This whole way, so they don't double the money. So as I did, I don't want to show till 2024. Man, no be the next president. This more money where I get, still take I pay for all, I take at the shop first. I'm telling you the truth. I get 2 children, we not get conscience. My first son, no believe in me.
Continue.
You go funny to now because no gonna Edopikin. Julius Agu, the genius. Boss, good evening, sir. My second son at 2 years old, na Curtis. I'm not joking, I'm serious. They see 12 pen knife from his bag last week. They don't rusticate him from nursery school. Tell you, man. My wife, terrorist. This year now, by October, it will be my 10th year wedding anniversary. If I get conscious, I'm supposed to clap. I've been married for 10 years. If you notice, I didn't say happily married. I said I've been married for 10 years. That's what's up. During our Mother's Day, women are the try. You know, so that woman has stopped the killing of twins. Mary Slessor. Yes. The problem is that they're not on IT apple. You sleep with all the people. So first of all, before we even go that route, the killing of twins back then, sacrifice to the juju. Once you born twins, they assume that juju get those children, they'll kill the children for the juju. So for the woman to stop the killing of twins, which means that she stopped juju sacrifice. So you think it's normal? You sleep with all the guards. Tell yourself, when I kill this juju, there's more where that came from. Because we have guards, they match juju face. Get the bastard. Tell me, things that happen. My wife, after 10 years, go look me and say, baby, do you love me? I say, is there another answer to that question? Nobody man with the one person go say no. What do you expect? I don't love you. The next day, if a Warriboy dies from sniper, and even assure him, I love you more than I love myself. She'll come ask me, babe, if me and you the Wakana lion come out, what will you do? I say, where we go to pass? I need to know. Are you telling me so we go to Waka for bush? No, babe, it's a romantic question. What will you do? I say, okay, I go run. Go ask me, babe, you will just run and leave me there. I said, what do you go to do there? Do you want to hug the lion? Tell him. You see, Nigeria is a peculiar country. And then we get petroleum minister. Petrol not there. He go London. Go to drive motor for there. Leave us for Yemo, the cure. Nigeria, the only country for the world we get information minister, we not get information. Fact, they Google. Nigeria, the only country for the world where person, they fight to win election, go meet one poor pastor, may pray for her. Taribo West, pray for Telugu. Hunger na your mate. Know what it means? Say you play football for years, you don't come make them again. One politician when you don't really like can offer you money, and you start to pray for them. God is merciful, though. Fact. Our information minister here say NaijaComedy for Israel. He go tweet, say if they don't bring back NaijaComedy in the next 48 hours, we are going to fight Israel. So who be we? So if you smoke, you go affect the full country. Tell him. Yeah, as we do here now, and also some men get planned after this show. When you get where you carry come out to you buy ticket for, she's going down tonight. There's no explanation. I'm not supposed to come here. We lost one of my friends last week. With the burial tomorrow will be Monday. True story. You follow people, go drink. And see, my advice you before I even continue. If you follow people, go drink. It's important that you follow people who not be professional for drinking. Follow those who all of them are the same level for reasoning. Because if you follow professionals go, they go put you for trouble. The guy follow professionals go drink, he don't high. And the wife, that problem woman. As you want go as 9 friends tell and say, bro, the way you take this, so if you go as a wife, go give you problem. Oh. We need for this drink to clear now. He say, what I go do this? We'll give you 2 guests. May they wipe you, may they drink, come out. True story. Now they bring 2 girls, so 2 Lagos girls, we don't get conscience. Maybe say their occupation for life. Now fuck. So they wipe. You know, so that they wipe this guy. The wife sweet the guy don't know when the big phone call a wife. Say, baby, if you see fuck with the apple here. So we bury him tomorrow. If this one, you know, this thing not supposed to make una laugh because that's true life story they're talking. Facts. Thank God all of us that adult here. If you be a woman for a year now and you are married, you never see your husband for 3 days. Now go it is he's missing. Funny enough, not even go they write for newspaper or go TV say your husband is missing. I know where he did. Yes, one of my big man friend, he be like this guy. Not be you, like this guy. His wife called me and say, bro, my husband never comes for 7 days. Now I go to the house. I told her like 30 minutes, then the man come. Me and the wife did there 1 hour, the phone and they discuss, bros, what happened now? Why you never come for 7 days? The guy don't talk anything, you're quiet. After that guy 1 hour, then the wife said, my children also come from school, man, I go cook. As the woman leave us, come out, then the bros locked up. They asked me, say, bro, they don't lick your blockers before. I'm not joking, I shock. I said, how would they come out for you're commoting for us? They enter blockers. He said, bro, don't be smart here, no. I just go one comedy show for a good time. I said, I go to the bar, go drinking. Now, since that day, I want to get the lick my blockers. As I did here, I see the lick and the only thing they enter my head now, drive your wife, drive your wife, drive your wife. So as I did here, my wife never know my plan for him. He just the rake. Me now, we be good man, what can advise and say, bros, don't be so that they do these things now. The guy say, no. Before you go advise me, go make the lick your blockers. When I see whether you go fit talk. You know when he don't read for Lagos men. No jokes. Girl life the way that they do this day, one girl saying that man, people husband should find out. She even the train boxing, say you might find her come. The beat way go beat the wife. So in saying that, everybody, if your husband is missing, just know say that they lick him blockers, so he's gone. Okay? Now, before I go, it's good to be good. People just together for Jilosaku. Jilosaku, please clap for him. He legend in this comedy industry. He has helped so many people. Some of the people, the time we into the carry people go London that I never start comedy. I forgot go London since that's why they celebrate, that's how they go. Yes. Now, for Warriboy from Comot, if you come Lagos, you don't do Lagos for like 5 years, you need the same money go house. They'll send Juju make kill you for Lagos. True story now they turn out so this particular guy never go house for 7 years. They send Juju come for Warriboy make kill the guy for Lagos. Juju reach the guy house, Juju not see the guy for house. Now Juju now, he can't do something because say the guy there for club, that Juju go club, go meet her. Before the Juju reach the club, the man don't high. Now the Juju tell the man, the man see the Juju as Juju they come because they're spiritual level together. He said, Juju, what do you got to do for club? Juju say, I don't feel like you. There's someone can kill you. The Juju shocked for the reply we get. The man say, my brother, everybody go die one day. Sit down, make you drink. Now this guy begin buy drink for Juju. You know, say before club close for morning, Juju not they call the guy, boss! Now man you be. You too get level. Anything you go kill, you may go kill send me first. As it enter the man, now the guy say, me they give Juju guess. Me they give Juju lap dance. You know, see, as Juju they collect lap dance, Juju is scattered. Juju don't know when the big four call Amadio. For the first time, he call Amadio her bro. If they say you go keep person, me they watch well. You not go keep your destiny here, power. As Amadio I want to talk Juju court, they busy. One of the girls just carry Juju blockers now in liquor. Juju stand up, go meet normal human being. My God, I worship you. You are the Alpha and the Omega.
M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.